السلطنة لابد من
帅哥，怎么了？怎么了？我这汤是吧？吐成这个样子，你自己尝尝。哎，帅哥，要不我们帮你重新换一个好吧？
没事，是我酒喝多了吐里面了。
استهلكتك يا عليك عبد
مخلفني بقاله 6 سنين بصلح في امه.
لا 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 عمو انت طيب شو ده ابو احمد
الشكل geldi. Enem benden money.
Yo, chat, I just got a retwist. Y'all let me know how it look. Is it clean?
هذه shitting Sam هذه shitting
来亲一下，哎，好，不错。
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice your voice is wonderful.
Вот у нас 2 мальчика катаются, не 1, да, киселетик?
Now you gotta fry him.
Time to shoot some hoops. Let's get it. Ooh, what's up, baby girl? Yo, how old are you? 9. Oh, 6, thank God.
Why do Indian people stink? So blind people can avoid them too.
How do they think possible?
You need to find Jesus, bro.
Kakarot, yo, Frieza wildin' out here in these streets, fam. Alright, so boom, I was just trying to copy a bacon, egg, and cheese on the roll, some pepper ketchup, you feel me? Then Frieza pressed me talking about this, that, and the third. And I was like, yo, what you got going on, gang? So he was all woo-woo. Then he was like, well, whatever, So I was like, oh, word, bet. I caught him with that big boop. The man started spazzing and threw a whole fireball at me. I was like, yo. He even had me leaking all over my Timbs.
Oh no! Not the butter! That monster!
Facts. My Timbs got caught.
You call police? Someone don't got no phone, please. Hey, bro, can you help me? Can you help me, bro? They trying to jump me, bro. Get your fucking ass on!
Hello. Please, may I help with your...
No, thank you. Nigga, if you don't get the fuck out my face.
Merrily we fall out of line, I'd fall anywhere.
Look, there's an all black dude over there.
What's wrong with him being...
No, I mean, look at him. Look, he's like solid black. Look.
Look at it. Hey!
Yeah. He's blacker than your character.
Hey! My character's black?
Yeah.
Thanks, you just flew out. Oh my goodness. A bunch of us flew out.
Mario wants to know, what do you think of the Black Lives Matter?
Black lives obviously matter.
Do they really matter? Mario doesn't like it, the nigga.
Kakarot, this is bad. We have to leave the Earth now.
Hey now, it can't be that bad. Nothing the Dragon Balls can't fix.
Kakarot, the Discord server message is leaked. Vegeta, we have to blow up the Earth.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo, empecemos.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
911, what's your emergency?
It's always about to explode.
Hold on, I thought my shit was...
That's how you know we in the goddamn hood, cuz. He got it. Some zigzags.